How many times have you heard somebody say, I just had bad luck? Maybe. Sometimes life is just unfair. People lose jobs, they get divorced. Good people lose everything. It happens. Here's the controversial part that you don't want to talk about. It might knock you down. Bad decisions is what keep you back. I know, I did. I blame my childhood, I blame my relationships, I blamed money, stress, politics. I blamed everything. But this guy, that guy was making terrible decisions every second of every day. I drank, ignored my health, had a heart attack, was fat, excuses, racked up credit card debt, kept waiting for something to get better and never did. Life doesn't change first, you do. The moment I accepted that, my whole life turned upside down in a good way. Wasn't some Hollywood movie. I didn't wake up rich or beautiful. I wasn't healthy. I just made one better decision: to walk, to eat better. Went for a walk when I didn't feel like it. Stopped putting garbage into my body. Started saving money instead of wasting it. I picked up a camera and I started filming, started telling my story, and millions of people have watched. None of that changed my entire life by itself. Together, all those decisions changed the complete direction of my life. The truth is, your future is not built on one giant decision. It's built on the tiny choices that you make every day. The food you eat, the money you spend, the people you hang out with, the excuses you keep repeating. Those little decisions become your life. You got to stop waiting for luck. Become the kind of person who creates his own opportunity instead of waiting for them. If your decisions started to create a better life, the ones that you used to do that created a bad life can also change and make a better life. Your future is not determined by your past. It's determined by your next set of choices. If you're tired of relying on luck and want to build a better life, type "I'm in" the comments so I can see you. You follow me and you'll see what I'm doing building this community. It is never too late. You are not too old. You are not too fat. You are not too big of an alcoholic. You are not too broke. You are not too small. You are important. You can redo all of that. Stop letting all of the bad choices of your past dictate your future. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. I see you on the next one.